Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach class 5th maths measurement exercise 2. Okay, so without wasting time, we'll first start exercise 2, page number 138. Exercise 2, question number 1. All questions are here conversion. Okay, so convert the following into centimeters. Convert the following into centimeter. Okay, so how we will convert? First you see 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So with the help of this we are going to convert this centimeter into millimeter into centimeter. So look, the first question, A number question, 72 millimeter. Okay, so 72 millimeter, how we are going to write? Very simple. First we have to convert it like this, 70 plus 2 millimeter. Clear? 70 plus 2 millimeter. So 70, 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So 7 centimeter, 2 millimeter. Now you have to write 7.02 millimeter. Sorry, 7.02 centimeter. This is your solution. Okay, similarly look, E number, 18 centimeter, 7 millimeter. Nothing you have to do, simply you have to write 18.07 centimeter. That's it, that much. Very simple. Okay, if 2 digits are there, then only you have to change. Clear? Now 2 number we will see. In this exercise nearly 13 to 14 15 numbers are there. We have to complete it fast. Whichever you are feeling doubt, you can ask me without any hesitation. Okay, without any hesitation, just ask me. You will understand it very nicely. Yeah, my board is very dirty. Okay, so look, the 2 number question. 2 number question. Convert the following into meters. Convert the following into meters. Okay, so just remember 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So look, the A number question, 3 meter 42 centimeter. You have to simply write it as first 3 meter plus 42 centimeter. 100 means 3 digit, here 2 digit is there, so you will write 3.042 meter. Finished. 3.042 meter. Similarly look, E number, 232 centimeter. First you have to write it as hundreds. 200 plus 32 centimeter. You will write 2 meter 32 centimeter, or here you will write 2.032, not 032, sorry, 2.32 centimeter. Here also 3.0, 3.42 meter. Okay, so this is your answers. Like this means 1 0 you have to eliminate. Like this you have to do. Then 3 number, convert the following into grams. Into grams. So look, 1,000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. 1,000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. Okay. So first you see question number A, 13 gram, 12 milligram. So here you will write simple 13 point, how many zeros? 3 zeros. So 0, 1, 2 gram. Simple. Okay. Look, question number E, you see 7 gram, 250 milligram. Okay, very simple. 7.250 gram. F number you see one more, 750 milligram, 0.750 gram. Very nice, very simple. Question number 4. Convert the following into kilogram, kg. So remember, 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So look the question. A number 3 kg 700 gram. Simple, 3.700 kilogram. Very simple. Like this only you will do. Then F number you see 250 gram. Very simple, 0.250 kg. Means total you have to say 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly 1, 2, 3 is there. So 1 is not there. So 0. This much. 4 digits. Clear? After kg you have to put dot. That's it. Then you can see question number 5. Question number 5. Convert the following into liters. Okay, same. 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Look here, D number question. 10 liter, 300 milliliter. First you will write 10.300 milliliter. This is the answer. Very simple. Nothing you have to do. Then you see question number E. 750 milliliter. 0.750 liter. Very simple. Easy or not? Yes, just you have to put the points. Then look, question number 6. In easy way I am teaching you. Okay, not in a very hard way. In easy way I am teaching you. convert into kilometers. So as we know, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Look here, question number A, 6 kilometer 132 meter. Very simple. First you have to write 6.132 kilometer. Okay, one more. You see B number, 15 kilometer 8 meter. 15.8 meter is there, so we will write 008. 3 digits we have to make here. 3 zeros na, so 3 digits. Kilometer. Finished. Clear? Now 7 number you see. Convert into kiloliters. So as we know, 1000 liter is equal to 1 kiloliter. Applying this, we will see a number 8 kiloliter 200 liter. Very simple, 8.200 kiloliter, just like the previous one, same. Okay, up to 7 number we have completed. Now we will do the 8 number. From 8 number we will start. And 15 questions are there, so we have to complete these 15 questions. Okay, so 8 number, convert the following into liter. So A number is 0.5 kiloliter. Okay, so we know that 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. This is the standard unit. This you can find in page number 137. Okay, so 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. So what we will do, 0.5 kiloliter, 0.5 into 1000. 0 5 is 0, 0 0 is 0, 0 5 is 0, 0 0 is 0, 0 5 is 0, 0 0 1 is 0, 0 plus 0 0 0 5 0. After point, 1 digit from right side, 1 point. Cut this 0. Finished. 500 liter. This is your answer. Understood? Okay, 500 liter you have to do. Simply you have to multiply 1000 in every case. Then you see 9 number question. Convert into milliliters. Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 100 milliliter. 1 centiliter is equal to 100 milliliter. So using this we will solve this one. A number you see, 7.8 centimeter. Very simple. Multiply with 100. 0 0 0 0. 1 8 is a 8. 1 7 is a 7. 0 0 8 7. Now after point, 1 digit from right side you have to start. After 1 digit you have to put point. This is your answer. Cut that 0. Now you will get 780 milliliter. Answer will be in this. That is your solution. Clear all of you? Then 10 number. Okay, I'm sorry. I've just missed it, I think. Okay. Question number 10. Convert into centimeter. Okay. So you write down first 1 meter is equal to 1000 centimeter. Sorry. 100 centimeter, not 1000. 100 centimeter. Okay. Now we will solve this one. Look here, A number 12.75 meter. In 100 you will multiply 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now 5 7 2 1. I think you know this multiplication. Very simple. Now after point, 2 digits are there. From right side you have to start counting. 1 2. Put point. Clear. Cut these two zeros, because after point 0 value is not applicable. So you will write 1275 centimeter. Clear? Next is your 11 number question. Convert the following into meter. I am sorry. So how we will convert into meters? You see here 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Applying this we will solve. Look here, B number question. 5.25 kilometer into 1000. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now 525. Now and 0 0 0 525. After point 2 digit, cut from here 1 to 2 digits. Then answer is 5250 meter. Understood? Very simple. Then is your next question. Question number 12. Convert into milligrams. Okay. So very nice. You will know 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Okay. So look, 8.730 gram into 1000. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 378 0 0 0 0 378. Now after point 3 digits 1 2 3. Cut this one 1 2 3. The answer is now 8730 milligram. This is your answer. Clear? This should be your answer. Then next page, page number 140. Very simple. In a very simple way, I am teaching you this one. Convert into grams. 13 number. Look here. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So look, question number B. 7 kg 250 gram. So you will write here 7.250 into 1000. Multiply 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. 3 zeros are completed. Now 0 5 2 7 0 0 0 0 5 2 7. 3 digits, 1 2 3 digits. Answer is now 7250 gram. This is your answer. Fourteen, 15. Then we will finish the exercise. Question number 14. Convert into milliliters ml. So as we know, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay. So how we will write now? Same like the previous question. Look A number. Okay. Look A number. 3 liter 115 milliliter. So 3.115 into 1000. Multiply this one. Three 115 milliliter. Finished. Likewise, you have to do. Now, last 15 number. Convert into liters. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. So how we will do? First we will take any question. 3 kiloliter, 300 liter. You will write 3.300 kiloliter. Okay. Now simple. Multiply 1000. We'll get 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Only zeros are there, na? 0 0 3 3. Multiplication 0 0 0 0 0 3 3. After 0.3 digits, 1 2 3 digits. Point, cut 3 zeros. You will get 3300 liter. So with this we have completed the second exercise. Okay, so you are requested to complete the whole exercise. Check your answers from backside. Wherever you are unable to understand, that you ask me, so I'll make you understand it properly. Okay, any more doubts regarding your chapters, you can ask me, and if possible complete it. Tomorrow I'll put another video. Okay, I'll make another video, and there I'll teach you the last exercise, that is exercise 3. Till then, take care, stay at home and complete this one. One day I'll call you for the correction of your copies. Okay, thank you.